smash that subscribe button. Just started doing some powder coating work for a new company, Miracle Metals. Basically doing custom metal wall art. You can get in touch with them. The number I have listed on the screen. They can pretty much cut any design you like, and then we can powder it in any color you like. These are different colors, satin black on these pieces. A couple springs we did for Chad over at Total Control Racing, Super Mirror Blue and Sky White. Here's a set of wheels and a headlight ring we did for Concrete Customs, and a set of custom bars we did for the Rebel Spirit, also done in gloss black. Set of steel wheels off of a 50s model Chevy, done in satin black. Here's a bunch of RC parts we did. This is disco red top coat over a gloss black base. Very high sparkle. Here's a glider we did. This is Illusion Malbec. It's kind of a raspberry metallic with a cream center. And then we did a gloss clear coat top. Sides done again in Illusion Malbec. And these are 2 tones and 3 stage total. Furniture we restored. This is Kawasaki green with super matte purple. And this is blood red with matte black on the frames. And then a copper translucent. Here's a set of wheels we shot this week. This is an iridium crystal base with a gloss clear top coat, and I'll show you what the difference the gloss clear makes. You can really see the depth of the metallics when you do it. Just for a little comparison, that's gloss, and that's just straight iridium. You can definitely tell the difference on how much more pop there is with the gloss over top of it. We can do pretty much any color in this. I would definitely recommend it on all of the metallic colors because it just really brings out the depth of the metallic. The guys over at Trinity Cycles dropped these motorcycle parts off to us last week. Chemically stripped them, did a media profile on them, masked as necessary, coated in a high gloss black. This is for a bike they're doing a restoration on, and this is definitely going to help bring it back to life.